Hi there, welcome to 1-2 Steps. In today's video, I am going to guide you through how to add members on Groupme. So to do that, first open up Groupme. After opening Groupme, click on a pencil and paper-like icon which should be on the very topmost right corner. After clicking that, an option called Start Group will pop up. Click on that and type in the group name and the text or topic of the group. It is optional. You can either write a topic or you can leave it as it is. For now, let's type hello and press next. Now choose from your contact or type in the person name or phone number to add the members. So that is the process how to add members on Groupme. Hope this video was useful. If it was, then do leave a like in this video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification if you wish to get notification from our side. For now, thank you for watching.